Optimism that a tax bill will get done put investors in a buying mood and helped drive the blue chip Dow index and the S&P 500 higher. The Dow added 118 points to 24,504. That's a record. The Nasdaq fell 12 and the S&P 500 was up 4. That's also a new high. Bob Pisani has more on the day's market action from the New York Stock Exchange.
Stocks drifted higher today, lifting the Dow and the S&P to record highs once again. Now, two main things powered today's very modest rally: expectations for a rate hike and continued hopes for tax reform. We saw a mild rotation from growth back to value stocks, with technology taking a breather and bank stocks getting a boost from rising bond yields. This comes a day ahead of the Federal Reserve's rate decision. Of course, that's tomorrow, and many are expecting a rate hike this month. House Speaker Paul Ryan elsewhere said House and Senate lawmakers are close to the finish line, that's his words, on a tax reform deal. We've been waiting for this for a long time, but Kentucky Senator Rand Paul raised some questions about whether he would vote for the tax bill after tweeting that he would not, quote, in good conscience, vote for the proposed government spending bill to avert a shutdown. He said the bill would add to the nation's already massive debt. So he's a maybe. The S&P suffered a slight blip midday on this news, but regained most of its lost ground to close just off of the day's highs. Now, finally, Boeing powered the Dow higher today. That was a big help. It was up more than 2% after the aerospace giant raised its quarterly dividend. Boeing is already the Dow's best performing stock in 2017. It's up almost 90% so far this year. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.